Hello, this is our week one, day one reflection video to sort of end day one in the boot camp, and it also serves as our day two preview video because you're going to see problems tomorrow that look like this, and these are a little bit more complex and different than what we saw today in boot camp. And what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to sketch this one. We're not going to bother to try to solve it. We're just going to sketch it and sort of look at the differences between what y'all did today and what y'all are going to be looking at tomorrow. So first off, I'm going to draw my line because we're going to remember we've got two sides. We've got the left side and the right side. And I'm going to just review sketching. So I'm going to start off here, two X's. Remember the X's are the triangles. So I'm going to draw two triangles. And then the 9 is a constant. It's a number without the x, without the variable, so it's just going to be a cube. And then on the other side, I have three x's, so three triangles. And then the 8, another constant, a number without a letter or without a variable, so that's going to be the 8 cube. And you'll notice that looks different than what we saw before. Before we might have had a problem that said 2x equals 8, and if we tried to sketch that, we would get our 2x's, and then on the other side, the 8 cubes. So now you can sort of see where we're going and the difference, because now we not only have the x's and the triangles on one side, it's on both, and we've got the constants, the cubes, on both sides as well.